all the time what my one-on-one mentoring consists of and how I pick people who I will mentor. So in this video, I'm going to break it down into 5 simple stages and let you guys at home know how I do it. But before we get into this video, I just want to let everybody know that one-on-one mentoring isn't for everybody. We like to work with people who are ready to go forward or know what strategy that they want to do, and they just need a helping hand and some guidance and a push in the right direction. So if you're not ready to move forward in your property journey, one-on-one mentoring with us is not for you. Right, now we've got that out of the way, let me explain to you what each stage consists of. So, stage 1, it's the consultation call, where you contact us, you leave your name and number, and we get back to you personally and have a conversation of what you're looking for, and I explain how it works and what the mentoring consists of. And then we get an overview of each other over the phone or on Zoom, and if we're both happy, we move on to stage 2, which is where we meet up face to face. This is where we sit down together and we map out a plan of what I think we need to do for you. We have an in-depth conversation of where you want to go and what you're trying to achieve, what your goals are, what you know about property so far, have you received any other education, any other mentoring, and then we proceed to map out a plan. Now the face-to-face stage for me is the most important stage because I get to see what your body language is like, I get to see how you are around other people, how you are in crowds, if you're in the offices and there's people here on the day, how you interact with people. So I also get to see other things that you might need to improve on that you didn't know yourself, or you're very, very aware and you know confidence is low and that's where you need help. But I can make a really good judgment on once I meet you face to face. Stage 3, we hit the road. I take you around a number of my own properties, from purchasing, mid-renovations, completed renovations, viewings, and I give you an inside of what being a property developer consists of and the day-to-day struggles and also the highs of what we do. I take you around all my properties, I show you everything, I talk you through what I look for, I show you what we're going to do to properties. I want the same floor tiles, I want the same wall tiles, I want the same doors, I want the same skirting, I want the same, all the way throughout every house that we do. Living rooms laminated, hallways are laminated, all bedrooms and hallways upstairs are carpet. It's dead simple. They're not going to value it to the level that you want it valued at. If you're trying to pull all your money back out the deal, you still need to do it to that exceptional level to get the money back out. Then once we're in the renovated ones, I show you what we need to snag, how we look for snagging, and viewings. I take you around viewings and show you what I look for in the properties that we're about to buy, how we break down renovation costs. There's a whole load of things that I teach you on the day out, and to me it's a key part because there's a lot of travelling involved. There are lots of things that you have to understand, and it gives you a clear insight into how difficult being a property developer really is. Stage 5, running through lessons and project debrief. So we sit down and we talk about a number of things that you've learned, things that you didn't understand, and we make a plan, an action plan for you to go forward and start your property journey. Now, stage 5 doesn't mean that's the end of the mentoring, because the mentoring lasts for 6 or 12 months and we make a decision on, do you need extra mentoring or are you ready to start your property journey, whatever strategy you're about to take. This is so important because we have been around you now for a number of months and we understand where your weaknesses are and where your strengths are, so we know which way you need to go. Well, there you have it. That's the 5 stages of our mentoring program, and if it's for you or it's something that you want to see if we can help you with your journey, click the link in the description below, send an email in, or even contact the number that's on the screen now and I will personally get back to you. Like I said, mentoring isn't for every single person out there, but the people that we do mentor, they do go off and have a very successful start to their property journey. Some of them have gone on to be very successful in multiple houses. Some have gone on to be very successful in deal sourcing. Everybody we mentor takes those first steps into their property journey, and we're here to help. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon for another video.